Okay, Crystopper here, Master Service Tech, Prophecy and Vintage Designs and Technologies. Okay, this is a 2011 Mercedes-Benz R350 4MATIC. This is the transfer case because it is a four-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. And as you can see, the chain is stretched. So this gear should be able to pull off. And then once you pull this front drive shaft sprocket off, then you can take that chain and bring it around, all the way around, pull it off. Pull the whole chain off in one piece, then wipe it out and clean it out. That's the rear bearings. You want to make sure that the bearings are not damaged, and you want to make sure that it's not leaking from the front of the transfer case, that's the front side of the transfer case, which connects directly to the transmission housing itself. And this is the differential that goes to the drive shaft and to the front axle to make the front wheels spin simultaneous with the back wheels. That's what these two sprockets are for. This one and that one. So that's it. So basically have to get a new chain, and transfer case cover cracked because the chain was so loose it damaged the. And you just want to check your sprockets and make sure your sprockets are still in good condition, and go ahead and put the new chain on, and then put the new tensioner on, clean it out as best as you can, and that's it.